Hi, my name's Emma Ketirai, and I'm a certified Dubsado specialist and a system strategist. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share galleries with your clients using Dubsado. Okay, so I'm in my test Dubsado account. There are two ways of doing this. One is the one I recommend, and that's using custom map fields. And the reason for that is that you do the setup, and then with each client, you add the link to their project once, and then you can reference it multiple times in emails and forums in different places without having to add the link over and over again. Okay, so that's the method that we're going to use first. So in order to do that, you're going to go into your settings and go into custom map fields. And there are two kinds here. You're going to see client and project. And this is going to be project. And the reason for that is you don't want this link to follow your client throughout multiple projects. So let's say someone does maternity photography with you, and then newborn photography, and then family photography, or they do engagement and then wedding. You don't want that link to follow the client in every single project because you want a different link or a different gallery for every type of project they do with you, okay? So here you're just going to type in full gallery link. And if your preview and your full gallery links are different, you would create different ones here. But what I have found with my clients is that it's generally the same one. So name it however you want, save it as a short answer, not a date. And then that's the first step. Now, the next step is to use this custom map field wherever you want to reference it. So in this case, I'm going to put it in an email. So here. So this is where you're delivering their full wedding gallery. And what you're going to do here is you're going to find that link down here, okay? So I'm just going to insert it somewhere inside. Or actually, let me just delete this. Let's call it your wedding gallery. This is what you want to highlight. So you're going to highlight that, turn it into a button, and the URL is going to be the custom map field. And you're going to do open a new tab. You don't have to, and then click insert. So you can use this email inside of workflows. I'm not going to simulate that. I'm just going to pretend sending it out to a client, and then you're just going to hit save and close. And I just want to mention that even if you're not a photographer, this method is what you would follow. Let's say if you wanted to share like a timeline document with your clients, or, regardless of what niche or industry you're in, if you create like Google Drive folders for your clients and you want to send that folder out, in multiple places in your time together with your client in emails and forums, again, this is the method that you would use. Whenever you're ready to send the gallery link out to your client, you're going to come to their project in Dubsado, scroll down, go to custom map project fields, and put the full gallery link in here. So now if you go to send this email and you find the one that's for the full gallery, if you click here, you're going to see that it's now the Pinterest link, okay? So it's going to do that for you. So the other way of sending gallery links out to your clients is using one-time links. And the advantage to this is that it will show up in their portal. So if you're someone that is constantly referencing your portal, instead of sending out, let's say, links to questionnaires, you're just letting them know that there's a questionnaire in their portal and you're sending them to their portal over and over. This would be a good method for you. So you're just going to come to forums, scroll all the way down, create a one-time link, put the URL here, and put full gallery or full gallery. You don't even have to say that, right? So once you add that, you can apply it to the portal, and then it's there for them to see. Okay, so if, again, going back to the portal, like that's where you're sending your clients each time, this would work. The downside is that like referencing it in emails and forums and things like that wouldn't be the same. So it's up to you. I'm always setting up that first method for my clients so that they can reference over and over again. And again, because in the cases that I've worked, the preview gallery link is the same as the final gallery link. My clients only have to add it once. And then the workflows will hold things for them to, is the preview gallery link ready? They add it, they check the to-do, and it sends the email. And like 2 weeks later, whenever the full gallery is due, they get another to-do. And whenever they're ready to send that email out to their client, checks off and sends, okay? So these are the two ways of doing this. I find that it's super helpful because you can reference that link over and over in different places, emails, forums throughout your time with your client. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.